Okay guys, we are back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, here's what I want you to do. I want you to stick to this video to the very end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Alright, because there are going to be some vital information I'll be sharing here on this video right now, and I don't want you to miss it. Okay, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Alright, so before I share with you how this wonderful strategy works, I'm going to first of all share with you the settings and the zoom level for this strategy. Okay, now for the zoom level, you are going to zoom out completely. You can see this, and then you zoom in twice. 1, 2. All right, that is one thing I want you to know. Now, secondly, this strategy, you are to use it only on boom 1000 and crash 1000. All right, okay, and for this strategy we are going to be using it to trade against spike. Okay, we are not catching spike with this one. All right, if you check my previous video, I dropped a spike catching strategy on that one. So if you are looking for a spike catching strategy, then you should go check on my video the recent video I just uploaded. Okay, you should check on that one. That is a spike catching strategy. But this one we are going to be using it to trade against spike. Right, we are going to be using to scalp, taking the small candles. Right, this one right here, they are the ones we are going to be using this strategy to trade. Right, we are going to be taking that with this strategy, right, without being caught with spike. Right, so with that being said, let me go ahead and share with you this setup for this strategy, and then I'll show you how it's done. All right, now first thing is to click on this N icon, this one right here. After clicking on that, and our first indicator here is the average directional movement index, which is this one right here. So after clicking on that, alright, you search and click on that. Now you can see it's a very simple indicator to add up. The period here is 1. Period here is 1. Under the style you can see, make everything 1 pixel, and then you make the color of your background. You can see here I made it white. Alright, and then for the levels, this is what you need. You click on it, and then you set it to 90, then 585. The pixel here is 2, and the color is black because I want it to reflect. And after that, you click on save. You are done with the first indicator there. Now for the second one, which is our commodity channel index, right, you click on it. Now let's say you click on this icon here to add the average directional movement index. For this second indicator, this one, you are going to be clicking on this icon here in order to add it under the average directional movement index. All right, so after you click that, then you search for the commodity channel index. Right, hope you understand that. Now the parameters, you can see here the period is 14. Applied to is typical price. Then under the style you can see 3 pixel, the color is blue. Right, so this is all you need regarding this setting. After that, you click on save. You are done with the commodity channel index. Now for the indicator window 2, right, you are going to be clicking on this icon here again, right, the first one. Then you search for moving average of oscillator, right, which is this one right here. So after searching for that, you click on it, and these are the setup. Right, make sure you set everything. All right, set it to the default setting. This is the default setting. All right, so you don't need to change anything. Just click and then you save. Right, now the next okay, I think I should make this 2 pixels so that it will be bold. Click on save, and then the last indicator here is going to be the relative strength index. Now before you add that, you click on this icon here so that it will be added under the moving average of oscillator. Then you search for moving relative strength index. Click on it. You can see the parameters. All we need here is just the levels. Right, so nothing here matters unless this, right? So you change this to 1, apply to is close. The style, you make it 1 pixel, you make the color of your background, and then for the levels you make it 15 and 85. The pixel is going to be 2, the color is black. You go back, right, and then you click on save. Then once you do everything correctly as I've said, you're going to have something like this on your screen, right? You're going to have a setup like this. Now, with that being said, how does this strategy works? Right, this is a very simple strategy to understand, so you don't need to be scared. Now, first of all, we are going to wait for a spike. So whenever there is a spike in the market, now you are going to check here on the indicator window 1. You see that the blue line here is on the 90 zone, the 90 and 95 zone. You see that it's touching the 90 and 95 zone, right? That is your confirmation number 1. Now you are going to check on the indicator window 2. You see that the indicators here also, the green line here also is touching the 85 zone, right? They need to be in agreement, all right, before you take any entry. So once you see that they are both touching the 85, right, the overbought zone here, once you see that they are both touching these lines, that is when you should go in, right? And you are going in for only 4 candles with this strategy, right? You don't need to stay more than that. 4 candles, you are out, right? This is a very good strategy, and you are going to be having multiple entries with it, right? And with this strategy, you don't need to follow the trend, right? Just go to the 1 minute time frame on your boom 1000 or crash 1000, and then you stay there, you wait for the conditions, and then you take your trades. Right now, let me show you another example. I'm going to be showing you plenty of examples with this strategy, and you can see how good it is, right? So see, they are both in agreement, both are touching the 85 level and the 90 level here. You can see, you go in for your 4 candles, you are out again. Here you can see this one right here. This one is touching, but this one is not touching. It's not a good entry. Don't take any trades. All right, don't take any trades with this kind of one. Now you see this type, don't take any trades. Now this type, these are the type you should take trade. You can see, then you go in, take your 4 candles, you are out. The 4 candle is yours. You take your 4 candles, you are out. Now you see this one, you can see they're in agreement. You go in, you take your 4 candle before that small spike will come. And even if there is a spike, you can still recover, right? You must make your money there before anything happens, right? So we make sure you stick to this 4 candle and you'll be safe, right? You can see here 4 candles, you are out. You can see here again 4 candles before that spike, and even if there is spike, it will not blow your account and you will recover it. So I don't know what is the problem here again, right? I don't just know what's the problem here. Just stick to the 4 candles and you are safe. Stick to the 4 candles, guys, and you are safe. You can get that 4 candles here again and you are safe, right? So just stick to the 4 candles. Now you can see this is where they both touch. This is where they both touch, and you can see your 4 candle is here for you before any other spike will come, right? Your 4 candle is there for you, guys. Your 4 candle is, this is a ninja strategy. You can move in the market without being seen with the market manipulators. They will not see you. They cannot use spike to take your money, right? With this strategy, you just go in like a ninja and you sneak out with your money. Nothing will stop you from making that money. So just follow this strategy. Now you see, both in agreement. Your 4 candle is here for you. Or more like this is the strategy you have been looking for. Just make sure you follow this strategy the way I've explained it, and you are safe. Like, if it doesn't gotten to this place, don't take any entry. Just your focus should be on the blue one, all right? The only thing you need the green one for is just the confirmation. Like, That is where you will be sure that yes, this is a strong support and resistance zone. It's when both of them has agree with each other, and then you are good to go. Like this is a bomb. This strategy is a bomb. This strategy is a bomb. Like, whoa, what are you still waiting for? So I think this example is enough for you guys now. This is enough for you. What you need to do now is just go and back test this strategy for yourself. Put it to the test. Like, confirm it for yourself. Don't just take my words for it. Like I always say, I'm not the controller of this market, so anything can happen, and no strategy is 100%. You know that. So all you need to do is to backtest this, confirm for yourself if it's really working, just like I've said. And then once you are done backtesting, that is when you should go in with your own live, like your own hard-earned money, right? But for now, I will advise you use the demo account, like your demo account to trade with this strategy. Alright, don't go in with your money yet. Trade for like a week or two with your demo account before you can go live with your own money. Alright, so with that being said, I think I'll be drawing the curtain here now. Alright, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, I would love if you subscribe to my channel, because this is what I do here on this channel. I go out there, look for profitable strategy like this one, and then I come here and share with you guys, right? And I also do price action analysis sometime, right? So to give you a better understanding of what the market is doing. So if those are the things you will love to be getting from me, then I will advise you subscribe, click on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a powerful strategy like this one, you get notified immediately. All right, so as you do that, may you be blessed and we make this money together, right? Please, I want to beg for one other thing again. So if you are watching this video right now, I want you to please give the video a thumbs up. All right, give this video a thumbs up, like it, all right, so that YouTube will recommend it to others, so that they may also get this powerful information you are getting now. They may also get this strategy and also use it to make money. Okay, so I think that is all I have to say now. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.